What's up everybody, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing an install. Today's install is actually going to be a rear diffuser on your Dodge Charger. I have a Scat Pack Charger, and this is the rear diffuser I got, which is actually one of the most common and popular ones that most Dodge owners actually get. So here it is. So that's the diffuser I got. I'll put the link in the description for you guys. That way you guys can purchase it if you like. Obviously the rear diffuser, as far as that goes, the stock one is what we're replacing. So yeah, it should be a pretty easy install. I'm going to show you guys the tools you're going to need to do this, and then after that we'll go straight to the install. Here's the only two tools you're going to need to do this very simple install. A flathead screwdriver, a ratchet with a 9/32 socket. Can you see it? Probably can't focus, but it's a 9/32. All right guys, so going underneath the car, this is the tabs and the bolts that you're going to be taking off. You have one plastic tab right here, which is going to involve the screwdriver. You have 4 of these bolts that you're going to use with the ratchet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more plastic tab at the very end. So we're taking off this tab right here. So you're going to go ahead, and there's 2 slits on the bottom on each side, kind of openings. You're just going to grab your screwdriver, kind of force down, and there you go. So it's 2 pieces, just like this. Go ahead and just put it in there, not all the way down. That way when you put it on, you don't lose any pieces. So you do this exact same thing on the other end. I'm not going to show you it because it's the same exact thing, but then next I'm going to show you guys how to take out the bolts with the ratchet. Yeah, onto the bolts, like I said, there are 4 of them. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to do this bolt right here. Like I said, there are a total of 4 of them, so I'm just going to show you one. So we're going to go ahead and grab our ratchet with our 9/32 socket attachment, and we're going to go ahead and take this off. Pretty loose, you could just take it off with your fingers now. And there you go. You have your screw with your washer. The washer's pretty tight on there, so you're not gonna have to worry about losing that. So like I said, go ahead and do that to the other 3. Alright guys, so I have all the bolts and the little plastic tabs off, a total of 6 things that you were taking off. So what you want to do is go ahead and get your finger underneath here, just in case there's some debris. Shake that out. You don't want that falling on you. You can see obviously it's already really loose, but I'm just making sure there's no debris and it's gonna fall out. So all we're gonna do now is pull the rear diffuser off. It might feel or sound scary just because you think you're breaking something, but you'll be fine. They're clips. What you want to make sure you do is pull towards you and not like from the sides, because that's what's going to cause clips or any plastic parts to break. So I'll show you guys myself just taking the diffuser off. I'm going to start off with this side. Look at that. Look how easy that is. And then you're going to want to go ahead and pull out. Look at that. Just like that, it's already off. That was so simple. There are the clips that go right in. And now all we got to do is let's put on that new diffuser, which we got right here. It's a satin finish, just ABS plastic, pretty much the same thing. Let's show you guys comparison. So here is the old one. Here's the new one. You can see it has like little inserts, you know, making it more of an aggressive look. And as you can see, the holes are pretty similar. Well, they are similar. I made sure that this one had OEM fitment, so all the holes should be the same. So we should be able to use the exact same screws. Want to make sure that the clips just pretty much insert to these openings right here. These are going to all line up perfectly with these. And like I said, the extra hand's going to be over there, making sure it's lined up. So we're going to go ahead and just eye. Looks like I got to push mine more this way, like this. Yours good over there? Yeah. Okay. Make sure it's all good. Go ahead and push in. I'm pushing in on my side. How's your side? Good. So as you can see, mine's pushed in. It's pretty flush, actually really flush. Even towards the bottom, all along the edges. Yeah, looks good. And one thing about buying these rear diffusers, as far as like when you buy them off eBay or Amazon, you know, there's always going to be something small. It's never going to be perfect, guys. But you know, you're paying such a little price on a mod like this. There might be a few flaws, but they're not going to be nothing major, you know. There's definitely stuff you're going to be able to live with. For example, like there's like, it's not even really a gap. I'm not even sure what it is, but it's nothing that's ever going to bother me really. I'm completely happy with it for the price that I paid for it. It looks perfect. And I still got to go ahead and put the screws on, so maybe that'll make a difference, maybe it won't. But at least I know it fit perfectly with the clips. And let's go ahead and put the bolts and the plastic tabs on. So we did come across one dilemma. We are able to go ahead and use the stock plastic tabs. Got the bolts in on these sides right here. And the exact opposite side as well, they're on there. But the middle two bolts that we took off from the car, they're in the middle. This OEM one that came with the car from factory, it's not long enough, or it's just not reaching those two holes. But the diffuser did come with 4 of these. It was able to fit. So that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this little install video. One last look at it. Solid. Highly recommend. I'll put the link in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped a lot. It's really simple, so hopefully I didn't drag too long, but you know me, I get into detail even on simple things. But please guys, like and subscribe. Tons of new mods coming your way, and I'm so excited for you guys to follow me on this journey. Like I said, please like, subscribe, comment, turn on that post notification, that way you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next one.